Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful week. This week we had amazing trade guys and most of our traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you how we analyze intraday alongside with the high time frame analysis and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So let's dig into the system. Alright, so if you look at I'm going to go through only Euro USD and the pound dollar and show you in detail. So let's see the Euro USD. So let's look at the 4-hour chart, guys. So if you look at this week start from here, and at the beginning of the week we had this short trade here. First of all, if you look at the previous analysis we did, as you can see here, the price nicely respected uh, trend resistance line, and we had this beautiful rejection at this level. So we have taken a short trade, banked some profit. As explained to my trader, if the price is going to stay below this level, then look for continuation. So if you look at, we have this sort of impulsive, after that correction, and we have impulsive correction, we have continuation, and we have this short trade here. So we explain all that price action through intraday, and we have taken amazing journey from here to here, amazing profit. So let me share with you how I analyze through intraday and help traders squeeze amazing profit. So how we analyze through intraday system, which help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So if you look at let me share with you guys, and if you look at, all right. So if you look at the beginning of the week, as explained, we've been short here. Pretty straightforward. First of all, we explained to our trader, look for this breakout. So the first priority was to pull back around this level. But as you can see here, we also mentioned if the price is going to break this previous low and is going to retest. As you can see here, the price nicely broken and retest. That gives us the high probability of counter short trade here. So we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price about to hit 200 EMA, and that's what explained to our trader, you can consider banking some pips. So after banking some pips, which is a pretty standard and straightforward price action, we have this beautiful impulsive reaction, and this is technically is a correction here. So we explained, look for this area. So we had this beautiful short trade here. As explained previously, price rejected twice. So we explained, consider tightening a stop loss. Let's see if the price is going to break or it is going to reject. So we had this very short trade pullback, bank few PPs. And afterwards, as you can see here, the price impulsively reversed, as explained to trader, which we explain every single day. So let's say if we see any pullback at this level, so then we're looking continuation long. Otherwise, if the price develop a false breakout, so high probability might be a short trade here, because we coordinate this area with this one. You can see here, price nicely respected here, broken, and that's what we explained to our trader in detail. We said let the price break. As soon as the price rejection, we instantly broadcast that information through live ID commentary. It's time to go for short trade here. Price nicely broken, and after that, as explained, look for another pullback. So that was the beautiful short trade here. Again, pretty standard price action we explain every single day. So we have this beautiful pullback at this level based on this analysis. As soon as the price hit to another fifth channel, because each channel we consider as a target. So you can see here we explain it's time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade here. Later on, we constantly monitoring the price action. As you can see here, the price developed a double bottom here, but price also respected here. As explained over trader, this is the point of interest. If we see the pullback, price break and give us the confirmation, then look for long. Otherwise, high probability, as mentioned here, look for short. So we announced the short trade here. Beautiful. Afterwards, price nicely shoot down and hit to the around next fifth channel, and which we explained over trader, it's time to bank some profit. That was a beautiful trade here. Afterwards, our bias was short, so we explained each and every trade here based on the analysis. As you can see here, the price developed a double top here around this level, so that's been explained. Look for another pullback short, price nicely broken and hit to the previous low level. That's what explained our traders time to make some profit. That was a beautiful trade. Again, as you can see how detailed we do intraday analysis help our traders to not to miss the any opportunity. If you look at the momentum was strong bearish, as explained in detail, look for another pullback short around this level based on the analysis. Beautiful short trade, make amazing profit. And afterwards, as soon as the price reverse, we explain the price has developed a false breakout. So let's see if we can get a counter opportunity. Price did a counter opportunity, but the price refused this previous high. So we had a very short trade here. As soon as you can see here, price nicely hit to the fib channel. We explained consider tightening your stop loss because this is the counter trade here. So counter trade, we don't risk too much. So as soon as we put a stop loss at the break even, we came out from this trade because the momentum was very strong bearish, as you can see. And then again we explain all the price action. You can see here we're looking for this breakout within the structure. We explained price develop head and shoulder pattern, high probability. Let's look at this breakout. Price nicely broken, even retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, we explain either you can bank some profit or move your stop loss to the break even. And this is the last trade of the month and last trade of the week on Friday. So this is again beautiful explain. Look for another beautiful breakout short trade here. And as before the market close, we explained to traders time to bank some profit or move your stop loss to the break even. So guys, you can see here in EURUSD how we analyze all the short trade here from here to here through intraday and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit. So at the bottom you can see here every single analysis we broadcast. We also broadcast the update, helping traders not to miss this opportunity, bring some amazing profit. So let's move into the pound dollar. Okay, so if you look at the pound dollar and if you look at the 4-hour chart, week start from here. So at the beginning of the week we had a short trade here, banked some profit, and afterwards if you look at the price action we have impulsive correction. We also had a long trade here, price nicely went and hit to the weekly resistance, banked some profit, and afterwards we had, if you look ahead, this candlestick pattern. This is the bearish engulfing pattern. Price nicely reversed. So we also had the short trade here afterwards. We also had a little counter long trade here after that short trade here. So we had this journey short trade here, and once we said trader that the price has developed head and shoulder pattern, high probability short trade here. So how we squeeze add all that journey from top to bottom, from here to here as well, through intraday, and how we help every trader. So I'm going to go through all the analysis broadcast through intraday system and help our traders to squeeze some amazing profit. So if you look at the analysis intraday analysis, at the beginning of the week, as mentioned here in the analysis, you can see how detailed we give them explanation about the price action. This is the amazing way of traders to train them and to experience the live market and learn at the same time and earn. So you can see here price nicely broken and retest here. You can see it beautiful. We also announced this beautiful pullback short trade here as soon as the price hit to the previous low level. That's what explained to traders time to bank some profit. And let's wait for the another price action. So you can see here again, as soon as the price reverse, we explain look for another short trade here. We're only going to take a long if the price gonna break this high and give us the confirmation as mentioned here. So that was a beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit again. And that was a beautiful trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, we explained traders time to bank some profit around 20 pips, 30 pips, right? And once the price continuously develop a structure, as you can see here, then we explain look for another basically breakout opportunity because the price develop a symmetry triangle pattern within the pattern. That's what we explain. You can see here price develop broken high and retest. So high probability based on the momentum. That was the beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the level, we explained traders time to bank some profit and let's wait for another pullback. So that was another beautiful pullback. Long was beautiful. As you can see here, basically we updated the previous analysis in more detail to help our traders not to miss that opportunity. As you can see here, the price nicely developed a pullback long here, retest here. So we're looking the structure breakout. As you can see, the price nicely broken, momentum was bullish. Beautiful. As you can see here, the price hit the first target. That's what explained my traders time to amazing profit. Bank, beautiful trade, banking some profit. And later on, pretty standard price action point of view, price nicely respected. As you can see here, we had this beautiful pullback, bank some profit, and we take another pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous high. In intraday, that's what we help our traders through live audio commentary and through live analysis. It's time to bank some amazing profit. After banking some profit, we look at the 4-hour chart. Once the price develop a false breakout, that's another. Then we look at, okay, there's a possibility of counter opportunity, which is a pretty standard in price action. You can see here the price broken this one, and price refused to stay above this level after this breakout. We were expecting this one, but instead market developed impulsive reaction. With that, if we say to look for this breakout, which is a pretty standard, and if you look ahead, we have and this impulsive reaction after impulsive market developed this correction. That's the pretty standard price action we were looking. And if you look at the momentum was strong bearish, we had this beautiful breakout. As you can see, as soon as the price hit to the fifth channel, that's what explained our traders time to make some profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys. We had it. And if you look at the another analysis after that, pretty standard. As soon as the price reverse another pattern, so we constantly monitoring the price action. If you look at the based on this price action, as we look ahead, the price nicely respected here previously, and also respected here based on the analysis. We're looking for this break. Price nicely respected. As you can see here, we had such a nice, beautiful breakout, beautiful short trade here. Amazing, or bias was developed a short trade here as soon as the price hit to the profit target, and that's what explained our traders time to bank some profit. So you can see here, based on this analysis, what a beautiful short trade, guys. Amazing trade we had. So if you look at the another one, that was the counter trade here, which is a pretty standard and explanatory. So you can see as explained here in the analysis, let the price break and give us the confirmation. As you can see here, the price nicely broken, and after this breakout, price give us the confirmation. Momentum was bullish. This was the counter trade here. So as soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what explained to our traders time to bring some profit. And let's wait for another pullback, or let's wait for another market to develop another structure, which we did, and we had amazing short trade here. Let me explain to you here. This is exactly what we explained. Because our bias was short based on the 4-hour, and this was the counter because the price moves in waves. So you can see here the price nicely respected double top here. We were looking as explained. This is the point of interest as mentioned here in the analysis. If the price gonna break, take a short trade here. You can see a price nicely broken and hit to the first target, which is explained to a trader. It's time to bank some profit. So you can see here how we explain all the price action real time, and helping our traders not to miss this opportunity. After banking some profit and explain, look for another pullback, which we did. As you can see here, pretty standard price action, which we explain in detail. Price develop a symmetry triangle pattern, but if you look at the previous price action, we have this impulsive, we have this correction. So we were expecting a short, because if you look at the momentum was bearish. So based on this structure breakout, which is a pretty standard, understandable for the traders, and we have this beautiful breakout. As soon as the price crossed the previous low, as explained, you can bank some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. So we give all that help and tool to traders not to miss opportunity. And pretty standard after that, as explained, keep taking a pullback. We have another beautiful short trade here, and this is another counter trade here, because we look at the price action. Let's price develop another structure. We can see here pretty standard price develop, low high is been developed. As explained, look for the structure breakout, or if the price gonna break, then look for another trade here. As you can see here, the price nicely broken, and after that price retest. Beautiful. As we look and see, the price nicely develop another structure, and as soon as the price hit this level, we explain our traders time to bank some profits. So based on this analysis, amazing long trade here. And afterward, as explained, if the price gonna stay above this level, then keep taking a pullback long. Otherwise, let the price give us the confirmation, which we did. We explained to another analysis, as you can see here, which is we did a live analysis, real time. As you can see here, the price refused to stay above this level, breaking, give us the confirmation. That was a beautiful short trade. Price nicely came back and hit this level. Beautiful pullback short trade, amazing short trade based on this analysis. Structure breakout, amazing trade, and we explain all the price action in detail and help our traders to bank some profit. And then afterwards, this is the last trade of the weekend, last trade of the month. As explained, keep taking any pullback, would consider high probability trade, but the safest trade, if you really want to see it around this level, look what you explain our trader. As you can see here, price development of the pullback. I did not mention any long because our bias was short. Beautiful short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely developed a pullback short trade, hit to the profit target. As soon as the prices are hit this level, as explained, before the market close, as explained, suggest my traders time to bank some profit. So that was a beautiful trade, guys, and most of the traders banked amazing profit. So guys, now you have seen how in 4 hour how we analyze this opportunity and how we take the benefit of all the short trade through intraday analysis in real time, helping our traders to not to miss any opportunity and bank maximum profit. So not only this pair, we have basically analyze almost all the 12 major currency pair, guys. So this is what we do it, and if you look ahead, just a minute, all these 12 major currency pairs, you can see all these 12 currency pairs we analyze every single day. As you can see here, all the analysis has been broadcasted instantly, banking some profit. Every single trade we explain our trader. And if you look at here, in the, just to give you an example here for dollar again, that was a beautiful breakout and traders bank amazing profit. All right, guys, so now you have seen how we analyze the market and helping our traders to bank amazing profit. Our main objective is to help traders with the live market, help them to learn with the live market, at the same time finding a potential traders, so then we basically invest them. So this is the tool we have designed for our traders to make sure they trade successfully. We are providing a full training and coaching, including all the live analysis. And if you are interested to become a trader, if you really want to learn how to become a successful trader, or if you are struggling in this forex trading, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community and enjoy all that analysis in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And have a nice weekend, guys, and thank you for watching this video. Until next time, all the best.